Hello everyone and welcome to eToro. Today we will learn how to make a withdrawal. It is quite a simple process and you should be able to withdraw your money easily. Let's see how this is done. First, click on Withdraw Funds from the side menu. A pop-up window will appear detailing your total balance and your withdrawable funds balance. Please note that while non-withdrawable funds appear in your overall balance, they cannot be withdrawn. Click on Show Breakdown to see how much of your total equity is in withdrawable funds. Input your desired withdrawal amount. Notice that there's a $25 withdrawal fee. Now, click Submit. Next, please select the reason for your withdrawal from the drop-down menu, then click Continue. The funds will be transferred to your account using the same method that you used to make a deposit. However, we do ask that you supply us with an alternative payment method in case there are technical problems with your original payment method. For this video, we will use a PayPal account as our backup. Fill in your info and click Submit. A pop-up window will appear confirming your withdrawal request. An email will be sent to you detailing where the funds will be transferred to. You should receive your funds within 3 to 8 business days depending on the payment method. Please note that once your withdrawal has been confirmed on our side, it is up to your payment provider to complete the transaction. That's it for now. You're now ready to withdraw funds out of your account. It was our pleasure having you here. Happy trading.